What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So in today's video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy F62. This is my first time unboxing a Samsung smartphone I'm very excited because of the fact this smartphone has 7000 mAh battery and also a Super AMOLED display, and on top of that it has a flagship processor. So let's just unbox this, and man, you know that the smartphone is looking absolutely gorgeous. So let me just take it out of the box, and wow, you know what, the weight distribution is absolutely amazing in this smartphone. And now let's just remove this peel. That is a very satisfying feeling which it gives while removing the peel. And now after that, you guys can see the weight distribution is absolutely awesome. And you know what, those quad cameras look gorgeous, and they are 64 megapixel as well. That basically means the quality is going to be incredibly awesome. Now let's see what's in the box. And in the box we have a 25-watt adapter which will help to charge your smartphone within 2 hours. That's what I think. And now obviously I'm going to use this smartphone and going to do a full review as well. So if you guys are new, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. Now that is the adapter, and we also have USB Type-C cable. That is also one of the best things. Like, a lot of brands don't provide USB Type-C. This brand actually does provide USB Type-C. That's really awesome. And you guys can see, let's just peel off the IMEI, and wow, this color looks super duper awesome. You guys can see there is a little bit of pattern as well, and you know what, it is having a gradient design, and that gradient design is looking incredibly awesome. It also has a fingerprint scanner, and on the back we have, you know, these quad cameras with a flash which is outside the camera module. They still look awesome. And yes, I'm going to do a full review of this smartphone very soon. Right now let's just wait for the display to boot up and see the screen to body ratio. So oh my god, that's gorgeous. You know, look at the screen to body ratio. That's very nice. I just love the way it looks and it feels in the hand. It's very premium. That's pretty much it. Please subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.